Good morning, Sir Tuxalot. Gang's all here. Hey, Mart. I'm tired today. It's maybe just one smidge cooler out here this morning than yesterday. I don't know. Thank goodness it's Friday, because right now I feel like I need about 10 hours more sleep. We've got a whole week and kept her clean. Of course, I didn't drive her yesterday, but...
yeah. I'm gonna just dust her off really light, just to knock the dust off. And then I'm going to do the wheels. Get the brake dust off. That's the only thing that is really a big advantage of the 3 and the Y. Maybe the new X's and S's that have the permanent magnet motor or whatever instead of the induction motor at both ends. This thing can't, Ruby doesn't stop. You actually always still have to hit the brake a little bit. For whatever reason, she makes a lot of brake dust.
Right, but I'm going to tell you that the ride is smoother in the X. It's harder for the driver to feather the accelerator and have a smooth ride. It could be performance versus non-performance, but for the passenger not holding onto the steering wheel, the X is a smoother ride. Yep, everybody here is doing good too. Alright, let's just this Friday morning show on the road. Thank you, Ruby. Oh, that's right. We got a new software update last night, 2021.32.10. And I looked it up, and there was a bunch of stuff in it, but for the X, not that much stuff apparently. So, immersive sound, whatever the sound is, I don't know. Everything always seemed fine to me with the music. Ruby does have the premium sound, even though back when we bought her, it wasn't a default. Got some morning cloud cover today too. As sleepy as I'm feeling, I need some sunshine, some nice bright sunny sunshine. Although I'll take this to blinding in my face, can't see sunshine. We are making good time this morning. On time arrival for 7:20. Bus has been moving pretty quick this morning. He stayed ahead of me in traffic until right now. The bus will go to the right too here. Uh-oh, we have a little fender bender up here, it looks like. You can see the clouds just starting to break up, but it's kind of a slow process this morning. That accident back there was a hard enough hit that the airbags were deployed, at least in the, I could call that a panel truck, or I don't know what, the small work truck. It looked like a T-bone, Johnny said. Somebody either pulled in front of someone or somebody ran a red light. It was hard to kind of ascertain what happened. I was obviously paying attention for pedestrians and getting through the intersection safely. Didn't really get to study it too much. Not a good way to start a Friday for someone, though. Trying to stay ahead of the pedestrian walk timers going through at 3 seconds. Because literally when it gets down to 1, it turns yellow red really quick. Although I don't think any of the ones here, if I go past my normal turn, the very next stoplight is a red light camera. But none of the ones in my normal path through the city center here are red light cameras. Yeah, what was all that noise, Johnny?
Fire alarms.
Ah, okay.
They're either doing a drill or that building's burning.
Right, or somebody set off the alarm somehow.
That's what that was.
Well, since I don't hear the fire trucks rolling yet, I'm gonna assume it's not a serious thing. Didn't quite make it. Almost. And that tall building at the very end of the street here, they built that last year while Johnny and I were not on the road. That building went up really quick. I don't know if it's occupied yet. I need to check it out one morning, but probably. It sure looks like it's finished. All right. Yep, 7:20. So it's a one-way trip into town and, well, back home for me. Johnny is leaving school today with a friend, one of his classmates, and it's the PTA fundraiser night at Adventure Landing for the school, and they're headed over there for unlimited laser tag, golf carts, mini golf. Maybe they get a few tokens too. I don't know. Anyway, all the kids really like it when they have the fundraiser at Adventure Landing. They had stopped it for a little while, not because of COVID, but because I guess they had a few kids not doing what they were supposed to be doing. Obviously, that was not Johnny, but or his friends. But it's back. I guess they're going to try it. Hopefully, nobody will screw it up tonight for the rest of the kids. And anyway, he's going over to his friend's house and then over to Adventure Landing, and then he's at his dad's house this weekend. So I will not see him until Sunday night. And I hope he has a good day at school and a fun time with his friends. So I'm coming back into Fuquay. It's just going on 8 o'clock. I'm making good time back to the house. Why is it on the days when I could really use to be there a few minutes early, I'm running late, and on the days when it doesn't matter, I'm early. It just is what it is. So we'll go for our walk, and I am meeting Michelle at 11:30 today to shop at Guardian Angel. It looks like I won't be gated this afternoon by having to take off to go back downtown, although I'm not sure that'll change our shopping plans too much. But yeah, please, 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 please have the Halloween stuff out today. I suppose as I drive through town, I could peek in the window and see if I see any Halloween stuff out. Kind of excited to know. Inquiring minds want to know about the Halloween decorations and stuff at Guardian Angel. Wow, they're up to 3 panel trucks and 3 work vans now, using them to pick up stuff and to transfer between the 2 stores. Alright, so if there's Halloween stuff out, I'm gonna have to tell Michelle, right? I'm gonna have to tell her right away. But if there's not, I guess I'll keep it to myself. Never can tell. They might be putting it out while we're in the store today too. They're always putting new stuff out, but I see the scarecrow. Can I see? Used to be able, you could see through. Oh, I can't tell. I see fall stuff. I'm gonna say I don't see Halloween stuff. But I want to be wrong. I want to be wrong. Actually, I see a witch scarecrow. So maybe? Well, I can definitely see that Little Angel has out the rack of costumes. Well, I don't know what they're going to do, but you can guess that this Main Street closure for 5 days is going to be due to this building that's going in downtown. Depot Street is the road right across from the new building. Well, Don does not have a conference call to take on our walk this morning, so that'll be nice. You can just relax the whole time. Oh, yeah. I don't know where all these clouds came from. Guess time will tell if we actually get any rain today, because it's really not the morning burn off. It's really a little more than that.
Yeah, I would say those are a little thicker than burn off.
That's one lap down, Donnie.
Yeah.
2 more to go. It's actually pretty enjoyable out here. But there's a nice breeze, and with the cloud cover it stayed a little cooler, and it's still humid, don't get us wrong, but
it's not oppressive.
Yeah, I guess they're talking about a taste of fall at the end of next week. We're going to be in the 80s and humid until then for the most part, so bring on the taste of fall. We're past ready for the taste of fall. Don and I are talking about a diet video we watched yesterday where this guy was reviewing the FDA, I guess it's AHA, the dietary guidelines. And obviously Don and I think the dietary guidelines need some tweaking, to put it mildly, but one of the things on there that they have right for sure is women shouldn't have more than 6 teaspoons of sugar a day, and guys shouldn't have more than 9 teaspoons a day. So that equates to 100 calories for women or 150 calories for men. And what that really means is 1 teaspoon of sugar is 4.2 grams of carbohydrate. So 6 times, let's just be generous, well no, 4. 6 times 4 is 24 grams of carbohydrate. So if you go and buy one of those quote-unquote healthy yogurts that has fruit on the bottom, you're probably going to see something like 50 grams of carbs on the side of that. And of course, a little bit of that is from the milk product, but most of that is from the sugar. So that is already over the recommended amount of sugar for the day, and that's just the one thing. That's just the one thing. So Don and I were in agreement if there was some way that regular healthy people could stick to 6 and 9 teaspoons a day, they probably would be okay. But for those of us that have passed the we're healthy phase, and you know, that's not 1 Coca-Cola. That's, you know, 1 Coke's got more sugar in it than that. So we did do our 3 laps and we're headed out. I love this part right here. The curve, downhill, the home stretch, the headed for the car. This is great.
50 minutes, 55 seconds, 5,890 steps, 2.72 miles, 1840 per mile.
Whew, okay.
Yeah, we were walking today. I was all
fired up first about work and then about the news.
Yeah, we definitely were fired up today. All right, I'm gonna
scoot
and get back to the house.
All right, I love you. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Yep.
Silly watch thinks I'm 6 minutes short on my exercise for the day. Yep, I'm ready. I'm ready for some shopping. Hey, Donnie.
Hey, pretty girl.
I just jamming.
Huh?
I'm just jamming, listening to my music.
Yeah, well, I did a pretty good time. It was under 8 minutes.
Okay.
On home, like 7:50. So I did pretty good, because anything under 8.
With all those hills. Yeah.
All that hill, yeah.
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 That looks like a pretty good life there, Tux. Got to tell you. Marty's not in his chair right now. I'm sure he's nearby. Stripe's been hanging out at the carport a lot, and Marty is often over here with him. Although I don't see Stripe right this second either. Hello. Oh my God, it's a cat and it's a mermaid. It's, oh my goodness, when did you get this? So cool.
My aunt got it for me for my birthday. So
I like it. Very cool. What backpack do you have today? It must be a mermaid.
That you bought me.
Oh, okay, mermaid. Yep.
Yes.
Perfect.
Well, I got a new ring too from
Oh wow.
Poshmark. So Disney.
And it's a mermaid tail. Oh, I love it when they get all the Halloween books out. Used to spend hours reading to the boys. Well, isn't that pretty? I think that's going to be a sign of good things to come around the corner over here. So they've got several. That guy's pretty cool. He looks like a hobo scarecrow pumpkin man something. Smile. It's contagious. That's how I feel every morning when we walk on the trail. Can't believe that. It's Sakura. There's 4 of them and it's only $4 and it's in the original box and everything. That is the steal. I was going to grab this. I wanted this and then I saw that. I like to have a holiday seasonal Lego sorting bin. There is a good bit of stuff out. Wish there was even more though. Wish there was more. Joe really wants that, but it's too small. It's looking like I'm gonna go home without any Legos today. Maybe that's for the best, but I still wanted to find some Legos. Weekly Harry Potter find. We have the exercise clothes find for me, the Beetlejuice shirt, and the weekly pink find, also Victoria's Secret. For all your prison outfitting needs, or, you know, we could go for these stripes.
Ooh, earn your stripes.
$2.20, so it did work out nice that I didn't have to go back downtown this afternoon. I checked for messages from Johnny like a good mom would, and I don't see any, so I'm assuming things went off without a hitch. There's a nice newish Camaro on the other side of the sign, parked in the quote-unquote other safe spot. And I'm gonna head back to the house now, and I got some really cute Halloween ornaments and a tree that I'm gonna decorate with for just a minute. It won't take long to put it up, but I think it'll be a lot of nice holiday spirit bang for the buck. So I picked up this platter for a couple of bucks today, and I told Michelle, I said, wow, that really looks like the Secure pattern of those plates. It's got to be a really close match. Well, Lord and behold, it actually is Sakura, and it does match the plates. And I've got at least one mug upstairs that matches the plates. So I'm pretty excited, and I put up my tree with my little ornaments on it. There's 2 black cats, and there's 2 sets of ornaments, but they're not identical. They're coordinating, however, so I'm pretty pleased about that. Yeah, I got that jack-o'-lantern bowl too, but platter, which is melamine, plates, which are glass, and then I had found in a prior year the mug, which obviously goes with the 1 plate. I'd like to find obviously 3 more mugs, but you know, if I do, I do, and if I don't, that's okay too. Everything's all washed and cleaned up. I had bought another gel cling sheet that I added kind of across the 3 panes